Hey friends, if your Microsoft Edge is having this issue which is slow downloading, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So this could be very annoying, especially if this is your favorite browser and you keep on browsing on Microsoft Edge and this is slow downloading, then it has to be fixed. Now let's bring up our Edge browser, type here Edge in the Windows search bar, click on that under the best match and then maximize this. Now here in the search bar, simply type edge colon // flags. It's edge colon / flags and hit on enter. Now another search bar will appear. Just type here parallel. Now parallel downloading will be available. Enabling parallel downloading, this will accelerate the download speed for your Mac, Windows, Linux, Android. So what you'll have to do, click on this drop-down menu. And if you choose default and disabled, simply change that to enabled. Now once done, simply click on this three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and then click on settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now on the left pane, scroll down and click on System and Performance. That's under Accessibility. Then here in the System and Performance, you'll find this Continue Running Background Extensions and Apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. If this is switched on, simply switch this off. And make sure that Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This button is switched on. Once done, scroll up on the left pane and then click on Privacy, Search, and Services. That's under Profiles. Then scroll down a bit and you'll find Delete Browsing Data. Clear Browsing Data. Now choose what to clear. The time range we have here last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, and last 4 weeks, and all time. Now to summarize this first 4 options, you have to click on All Time. Browsing history, check. Download history, check. Cookies and other site data, check. Cached images and files, check. Passwords, do not check that. Autofill form data, do not check that. Site permissions, check. All data from the previous version of Microsoft Edge, check. Media Foundation data, check. And finally, click on Clear Now. Once done, still on the left pane, click on Reset Settings. Restore settings to their default values. Click on that. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. So click on Reset. And then once done, simply close this window. And then just try to launch the Microsoft Edge again and try to see if that issue you're facing has been fixed. For sure, it will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.